Today on Dream Street, everyone is trying to cheer up Hot Rodney, who is feeling very ill. Oh, dear.
Wow! It says, go to bed. Oh, that's bad.
Well, it's boring just staying here.
How about a comic? Half Pint's got lots.
Oh, you're having a laugh. I'm not reading any of his baby comics.
Oh, all right. I'll see if I can find something else.
Well, maybe just one. I am ill. Where are you off to in such a rush?
Rodney's ill, so I'm getting something to cheer him up.
Oh, the only thing that cheers Rodney up is being naughty. He is such a naughty boy.
Ladies.
Oh, all right.
The gossips finally let Buddy through. After all, now they have something new to gossip about.
Ew.
So,
Would you
Rodney,
believe
ew.
it?
Oh, hello, Rodney. Are you feeling any better?
No, not really. But nice of you to ask.
Oh, dear. Well, I've got the cake you asked for.
Oh, thank you, Daisy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, and could I get some chocolate? Some chocolate, Daisy. I am ill.
Chocolate? Are you sure?
Oh, my head. Oh, oh, my wheels. I do feel ill.
All right, all right. I'll get you some chocolate.
Everyone is feeling very sorry for poor Rodney.
Be quiet, Wild Bunch, or you'll ruin everything.
Hold on. That didn't sound very ill, did it? I wonder if Rodney's up to something.
Hi, Daisy. Rodney wants another drink. I'm off to get some.
And I'm getting him the chocolate he wanted.
And I've picked out lots of comics for him.
Oh, I wish I was ill. Then you could all run around for me.
No chance, Jack. You're full of bounce.
Rodney is lucky. Even Ice Cool is trying to make him feel better.
Hey, Rodney, how about some cool triple strawberry ice cream with funky strawberry topping?
Oh, if you think it will help, because I am ill.
Hey, it's guaranteed to cure those blues.
Oh, well, if it's that good, you better make it a large one. In fact, make it 2, covered in chocolate. Yes.
Cool. Hey, back in a flash.
Hi, Rodney. I've brought my bestest comics for you to read.
Oh, great. Oh, well, I've probably read them already. Did you bring me any milkshakes?
Oh, sorry. I'll go and get you some.
Rodney is starting to be a real
I
pain.
do feel ill.
The others can hardly keep up as Rodney asks for more and more and more treats.
Hi, Rodney. I'll cheer you up with a joke. Here. What's green and goes up and down? A frog in a train. No, in a bus. No, a frog in a plane.
Heard it before. Did you bring me a present, Jack?
No. But you've got loads of things already.
They're presents to make me feel better. Yeah.
And do you feel better?
I don't want to feel better. If I tell you a secret, promise you won't tell?
Yeah, I promise.
Well, I've been better for ages. But if I told everyone, they'd stop giving me presents.
Rodney, the cheat! Pretending to be ill is very, very naughty.
Come on, Jack. Let's party.
Yahoo!
But using his tech cam, Tech has found out Rodney's secret.
Party!
Buddy, wait!
Oh, sorry, Tech. I can't. I'm getting something for Rodney.
Ah, yes. Rodney.
I hope he gets better soon, though. I've got loads of other stuff to do.
Electric elephants. He's better now. He's only pretending to be ill.
The big cheat.
Let's teach him a lesson, eh? What's the time, buddy?
It's magic time!
Online and feeling fine! Where has Buddy gone? Buddy, are you there? Electric elephants!
Can't you see me, Tech? I'm over here.
You gave me a fright. How does it feel to be invisible, Buddy?
Hey, magic!
Wow! Tex made Buddy invisible. Oh, watch out, Rodney.
Party! Oh, great do! Party!
You're in big trouble, Rodney.
Who said that?
Not me!
You better tell Daisy you're cheating, or else...
It's a ghost!
You must be feeling a bit better by now, Rodney.
Oh, but Daisy, I'm still...
Rodney?
The ghost! Oh, sorry, Daisy. I promise never, ever to pretend to be ill again.
Pretending?
Oh,
Rodney!
bad.
Ha, Rodney, caught you! Achoo!
Right, Rodney. For pretending to be ill, your do-right duty is...
Oh, no! Buddy and Daisy have caught what Rodney had at the start. And soon, everyone except Rodney is feeling ill. So now it's Rodney's turn to do the running around.
Oh, it's not fair. Everybody's being really bossy.
Oh, well, it serves you right. Ah, phew!